Last week, the crew from All Coast Canvas came out to finish our cushions and fit us for a new bimini top. Thanks, guys. We love it all. I am so excited because I got a washing machine for our boat. We had a washing machine 2 years ago. It leaked all over our master's stateroom, so Chris trashed it, got rid of it. And a couple of our buddy boats have this machine, and so I've gotten to try it, and I know I like it. So, let me show you. Ooh. It is that big. It's big. You put your clothes in, do the washy wash, spinny spin. I love it. I'm so excited. Okay. All right. Let's get it started. Can I open it and see it? I really am so excited about this washing machine. Number one reason is because I feel like on boat life, this is the one thing that's kind of kept me from loving boat life, because I can't take care of my own family and my kids and their laundry, and I'm always having to haul it or use a friend's house. Chase, go get some laundry for me.
Okay.
So now with this washing machine, I just feel like I can be at home now and take care of my own family. I still have to go do big comforters somewhere else, but that's no big deal. This machine holds so much.
Ready? Okay. Shove it all in.
So you can only fill it halfway.
Okay.
So how full is that? No, that's good. Yeah, that's good.
One pair of underwear.
Okay, that's good. Okay, and then get the soap.
Here. Okay.
A cap full. Maybe 2. That's good. Yep. Okay. And then, yep, here, take the hose. It's already turned on.
Okay, ready? I'm gonna need a towel. I'll tell you when to turn it off. I am soaked and freezing. This is fun.
Good.
Okay, let's put it on drain now.
No, leave the drain off. That was my bad. The drain was on. Okay, so, yep, that looks about good. That's enough.
Turn it up. We're going to need a towel from this to wash.
Yep. Okay, and then...
water in there.
No. That's for something else. I'm using the hose to fill it. Okay.
Okay, spin time?
Nope, that's for drying. So,
Wash
yeah,
time?
wash. We'll do about 15 minutes. Yep.
Okay, I'm gonna...
You want to watch it?
Mom, I got a splinter. Can I open this?
Yeah.
Wait, I can... What's it do?
Welcome to this week's edition of
Talking from our aft.
I want everyone to note that I'm wearing pants.
It is really cold.
I didn't know I
right
had
now.
pants. I opened the drawer too far today and I found pants in the back.
Which is a very good thing because it's really cold right now. Which it means I have been having a hard time doing the laundry in my new washing machine because it's very cold and I don't want to come upstairs to it.
And then I sheared my face last night. And I don't know why I didn't wait until this cold snap ended because it's freezing now.
So why did you shave?
Because my wife does not like to be married to a
bear
that's that fuzzy.
I like him to have facial hair, but not... I don't want him to look inhuman.
We just watched the Falcon Heavy launch of the satellite that the Air Force is putting up.
We've been going to the beach for a lot of launches, but this one is too cold, so we just stayed here.
But we could see the whole thing from here. We watched it launch. We watched the The boosters come back and land.
You can even still see those clouds that are up in the sky.
Yeah, that's from the launch.
Yeah, those are all from the rocket launch.
But it's kind of a neat thing to do, to see. The boys have seen a couple rocket launches. You know, we got to watch Artemis live on the beach right by Port Canaveral at 2 in the morning, and that was really neat.
That one lit it up. This one was super bright too.
We've gotten so accustomed to them. The other night at midnight they had a launch, and I heard it. I didn't watch it, but I heard it, and I was like, oh, there's the boosters reigniting. And then you're like, oh, they just touched down, because you can hear it. It makes a boom when it does it. But kind of interesting. So, speaking of me shaving.
And the beard. Why did you have a very long beard?
Well, we've got...
Well, number one, it just comes natural.
It just happens.
You're just hairy. That's why.
But I'm going to tease something that we're working on that people have asked us about, and we're trying to put something together. It is called The Bearded Captains.
The big beard.
As you can tell, she is not involved in this project. No. But our friend Enno is. So I'm going to kick you out of here.
Okay, so Enno's on this boat right behind us. We are literally aft to aft. And they have a little bromance happening.
Whatever.
It's great. It's great. Buddy boats are amazing.
So, this is Enno.
Hi.
And spell it. It's not N-O.
It's not?
It's E-N-N.
Oh, yeah, it is. It is. E-N-N-O. I have a beard.
So, Bearded Captains is what are we going to be doing?
What can they look forward to?
We're going to help people know what they don't know.
Yeah, it's a good way to put it.
Yeah.
For those of you that are looking to do this lifestyle, to live aboard, to cruise, do the loop, whatever, and you don't have a boat.
Or sit at anchor. Or sit on a dock.
Yeah, you want to go live at anchor, you want to go live on a dock, but to start with, if you don't have a boat and you're in that, I'm getting ready to go do it, what do I need to know? We're putting together a video series and a little e-booklet to help you figure that out, right? Because we realized that
What you said, help you make the best, worst.
Yeah, buying a boat is a horrible financial decision. But we're going to help you make the best, worst financial decision of your life, right?
Perfect.
And people don't know what they don't know, right? Even when we started this.
Oh, if only I knew.
Yeah, but we didn't know what questions to ask. We didn't know why we needed to ask them or what they were. So this is going to help you walk through the process of what you need to know to buy a boat. And then the goal
Don't give
is
away too much.
the goal is later on is to continue this to, what do you need to know to go cruising? And so hopefully it'll be super helpful.
What do you need to know to change your oil? Some people don't know.
Yeah.
So.
That being said, if you have something you'd like to, oh my gosh, here she comes.
I was going to say, if you have any thoughts or comments or questions, leave them in the comments below, and I will give those to Chris, and he will be able to add that in.
Yep. If you've got a topic you want to know about, let us know. But anything else you want to say, Mr. Enno?
I like your kids.
You like?
Yeah.
At least someone should.
Yeah. Somebody in this group. So.
He's an irresponsible uncle.
I'm the bad grandpa.
I
grandpa.
would say that Enno is more of a kid than our kids are.
Yes. Sometimes.
I've never seen a guy have to go to the grocery store more because he ran out of cookies.
Well, sometimes your kids eat my cookies. Sometimes. Mostly it's me.
And there have been times where we found our kids on your boat, sneaking into stuff. Like we're gone, and then we come back and we're like, "Where's Carter?"
So my boat.
On your boat.
Yeah.
Okay, so I'm coming back. You can stay, I don't know. But I think that's all for talking from our app this week. I really like we not shaved. Or I like you shaved.
I miss the beard.
I miss the beard too. It's way warmer.
What do you think? Do you like Chris with the beard or without the beard?
All right, guys. Thanks for joining us on this edition of Talking from Our Aft.
Make sure you like, subscribe, share, thumbs up.
And
all of it.
Drop those comments on some information you'd like to know about buying a cruising boat, buying a liveaboard boat. If you're in the process, what have you found to be a struggle? That kind of stuff. We'd love to hear your feedback. Other than that, enjoy the journey.